The Kenya Medical Practitioners, Pharmacists and Dentists Union now wants the Director of Medical Services, Francis Kimani, to step out of office, claiming that he is frustrating the efforts of the union of getting into negotiations with the Health Minister, Professor Anyang' Nyong'o. They are now calling on the health workers to join in the strike.
Despite the minister assuring both the public and the union that we are going to meet and talk, it seems that there are officers in the Ministry of Medical Services that are not interested in seeing this suffering of Mwananchi ending. They are not interested in seeing this doctor strike coming to an end. Amongst these senior officials, and I want to state very clearly, and that is actually our new demand that we are adding, that the Director of Medical Service, Dr. Francis Kimani, has to vacate office and go home before we can resume any talks.
This kind of hard standing brought about by officers, I think it's high time the government takes very strong action against these officers.
Elsewhere, 4 family members, a mother and her 3 children died in a grisly road accident along the Kisii-Marani Road last night. This was after the driver of a lorry, which was transporting electric posts, lost control of the vehicle before ramming into the saloon car. And finally, Ngara hawkers today took to the streets in protest after the police tried to chase them away from the street in order to allow for the road's construction to continue. The hawkers now want the government to give them an alternative area where they can continue with their trade. Mala Kivila, KTN Prime.